Thank you, Cliff, for bringing all the gear and the shoulder shot tree toppler. Thank you, Chad, for making all those difficult decisions. Thanks to the ground crew for helping haul the gear up and down, and of course, water safety is always important. Once primed to 75 psi, it was time to put it to work. Some had to show the old-fashioned way, throwing it across or dragging it across. Thanks again to the water safety crew, because we did have downstream traffic all day long. And thanks to the crew on the other side. What a lonely job. We really appreciate it. But at the end of the day, the gates were set up in anticipation of the Mother's Day race on May 10th.